Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful pearl white 2012 Hyundai Sonata GLS four-door sedan. So the Hyundai Sonata is a nice mid full-size sedan resembling Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and they get the job done. Their fuel economy is pretty standard across the board. It comes with all the typical amenities of a car of this generation, and is a nice looking car. It's a good change from the previous style Hyundai Sonata. It definitely looks newer. It got Hyundai and Kia their kind of shift into making prettier cars than the cars they made previously in the early 2000s and 90s. This one is powered with the gasoline direct injection engine. It is a 2.4. They make these in the 2.0 as well, so I just wanted to verify. But 2.4 four-cylinder chain-driven motor. Very nice engine there. Clean and clear headlights, pearl white exterior, paints all in great condition. Comes with new tires up front, alloy wheels, and four-wheel disc brakes. It has a black on tan interior. The dashboard is clean, no cracks there because they are known for cracking. And it comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, driver's seat. Also has the Sonata logos there on the factory floor mats throughout. Comes with a CD player, AM FM stereo. It's XM satellite radio capable. It also has Bluetooth and then standard AC controls. It has pocket storage in here, and then your auxiliary USB and iPod connectivity all down below, as well as 2 charging ports. Comes with keyless entry, dual cup holders, automatic transmission, and a center console armrest storage, dual stage there. And then up top we have our map lights and our vanity mirrors. The vanity mirrors you have to switch on with the little lights at the top. Both of those are working, and everything looks how it should. Comes with a sunglass storage, Blue Link, SOS system. That's something that's paid for subscription that you'd have to activate separately, but comes equipped. Rear seat's nice and spacious. There's small little holes here just in the seat, but nothing major. Comes with a rear fold-down armrest, dual cup holders, and then the seats are split fold 60/40, and that is activated in the trunk. So down this side of the vehicle, no dings, dents, or issues. Comes with Oem Mud Guards. Here's the pull tabs for folding down the rear seats, and then we have a full-size trunk mat that has the Sonata logo on it, and up underneath here is the paid-for tire and jack, because with Hyundai and Kia and Chrysler, a few other car brands, Mazda, they make you buy the spare tire equipment separately, so this one does come equipped with it. So if you ever see that, it's not anything odd. It's just a lot of people opt for not getting that from the dealer new. So it comes with forward, back tilt, and lumbar support. It has side impact airbag, so plenty of safety throughout the vehicle. Our power windows, locks, mirrors, and then we have interior illumination, active eco mode, turning on and off traction, and then our fuel and trunk release is all there. The driver's side comes with an automatic up-down window, and then the steering wheel is equipped with volume, cruise, and then Bluetooth down here. The lights are automatic and have our standard turn signals and combination switch for interval front wipers there. Turning on the vehicle, you get a nice little Hyundai Sonata greeting animation there. Comes with 138,000 original miles, 2 owners, no reported accidents, no warning lights on the dash, very nice. So it revs up nicely and it idles smoothly. And we also have the ice cold AC. And we have a nice sounding stereo there. Comes equipped with the clock, and as you can see here, the nice animations there for the air conditioning. So all of that's there. Everything is how it should be. It's a total turnkey Hyundai Sonata, so if you're looking for a nice inexpensive sedan, nothing that's over 10 grand, because everything else is these days in the used car market, come on down and see us, because this 2012 Hyundai Sonata is waiting for you. You can find this beautiful Hyundai exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.